What's going on, folks? Today is dyno day with the OBS. So, got a few things I got to do before I load up the truck and head over to Brady's. Yesterday I knocked out the header gasket. It was blown out. It was making some exhaust leak noises and I figured it was that side, so I went ahead and did that side, and sure enough, it was leaking pretty bad, so it should sound a lot better now. I got a few plans for the truck: paint match front end, headlights, maybe some fender flares and some 12 wides. We'll see how everything goes. But for today, we're going to see how much power the 6-liter turbo 5-speed manual makes on the dyno. So I'm pretty excited. Got to do a few things before I get loaded up. Maybe take it for a little drive just to make sure everything works good. So yeah, let's go. Quiet now. No exhaust leak. And we are all loaded up. I took it for a test drive. The thing wheel hops when you get into any type of boost, but I think it's making more like 8 pounds of boost, 7 pounds. So we'll have to see. That would explain why it was making 15, which is double spring rate when you pull the line off, so that would make sense. But yeah, hopefully it makes 560 on 8 pounds. That'd be real nice. Seems to be running good. The brakes are actually not working right now because yesterday or the day before a brake line actually rusted out on this thing, so got to replace that. We don't need that for the dyno. Alrighty, let's get to it. Pretty rowdy. You can kind of feel it in the chest. So good. Full on race truck. He's even got nitrous in the bed. Anymore. I didn't know you did the. Is that an SS bumper?
It is. It's a copy or a clone, but it's. I had my buddy fix it. It was kind of a piece of crap when I got it.
Oh, yeah.
But it came out okay. I ended up bouncing it off the ground at race week and cracked it. So got to fix a few things on it. But
Where's the hood?
oh, it's up in the loft.
Just no hood life.
Yeah.
Looks better without a hood, anyways.
I had room. I normally set it on the roof, but I don't like scratching it. So.
What is the basic setup on this?
It's a LSX 427, 11 compression, triple heads, twin 80 mil VS Racing turbos. Makes about 1,600 horsepower.
1,600.
Yeah.
I'm going for 1,000 someday. That's my goal.
Yeah. Well, best of the 843 at 165.
840.
So first year out.
Yeah, I forgot this was an LSX block.
You gotta make that real power.
It's freaking good. So, OBS on the dyno. Quick rundown on what we got going here. Gen 4 6-liter. I believe they're 317 heads. T70 turbo. This guy is too small, but it was already done. All I did was put Gen 4 rods and pistons in the motor, and everything else was pretty much done. It's got a Holley high ram, of course. Stage 4 Summit turbo cam. Dual springs, push rods. It's got a log manifold on this side. Holley ECU. We got E85 back here. Battery back here. Truck is a NV3500, I believe. 5-speed manual. And the guy told me it made 560 at 10 pounds. Right now, I think it's set like 7. So honestly, I don't even know if that guy knew anything, but it is what it is. We're going to see what it does on like 7 pounds and then hopefully go to about 15 pounds if the turbo lets us. So get to it. So we were reading in the tune file, it made like 485 is what it said. There was a little note that said it made 485 or something. So I'm guessing it's closer to that on like 7, 8 pounds. So we're just gonna do a rip here real quick, make sure it does make that, and then probably turn it up. That was third gear, I think. Very choppy looking. Yeah, something happened there. I think it cut out from maybe spark plugs not being gapped or something. Huh. Still breaking up though, I think. Was it breaking up there or was it good?
Yeah, it kind of broke up on the top end. We might be blowing the spark out, so let's pull this down, bring the plug out a little bit.
And the exhaust?
And change the exhaust, yeah. But we still gained a few on what it was. Yeah, like it was going smooth and then it cut out again, so I let out.
How much boost?
About the same. It kind of comes up to 5 and then creeps to 12.
12.
So we can
12 pounds of boost. Yeah, it's making decent power, 465, but it's still falling off up top a little. So we're gonna gap the spark plugs, take the exhaust off, and run a hood dump because I think it's gonna make a lot more power. Had to go with the hood dump for some tuning situations here, and I'll probably do either a hood dump or a fender exit, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna do some more pulls. We had an O2 sensor go bad. Now we got a new O2 sensor in it. Try it again. back to where we need to be. 487, 484, probably 10 pounds. Leaned it out a little bit, a couple more degrees of timing. That was like 8 pounds. Smoke there. 568, 580. What happened? It was a little smoky on diesel. 568? How much boost?
It took 12 pounds. I don't know why the boost is not staying the same ever. It's kind of all over.
12 pounds of boost. Alrighty, so we made like 570 wheel, round 11, 12 pounds. I took the filter off of the turbo. He's gonna add a couple more degrees, see if we can hit that 600. I think the clutch is a little bit ticked off, and it did smoke a little bit, so I think it's probably smoking because it just went past the turbo seals on this fine eBay turbo we got going here. So yeah, might be the last pull. If we make 600 plus, I'd be happy with that. So see what it does. No filter, a couple more degrees of timing. Let's see what it does. Folks. Hey, nice work there, bud.
There we go. That's right.
That's a good number. Seems very smooth all the way up. 11.2 pounds. Man, I really want to just make like 15 pounds, but maybe 610 is okay. That'd feel pretty dang good. Joint here pretty quick, so don't do too many.
Okay, that's good right there.
Well, she made 610, boys, and she still runs. Appreciate it. Everything went pretty good. We're gonna get out of here, do some drifting with it. Finally, got the angle kit, lowered it down. Brady made fun of me a lot today because it's a kind of a beater, but it's an OBS. Come on. So anyways, yeah, with that said, we're going to end it off there. We'll catch you later.